Let's have a look at another function, namely SUMPRODUCT. Actually, it does what stands in the name. It sums up products. But when do you need it? Let's have a look at the following situation. We have had an exam. You can see some students, all random students. And the exam consists of two parts, A and B. And in addition, we do have a workshop grade. And all these three parts are going into the final grade with a special weight. Here 20%, 30%, 50%. And yes, we could simply type in a formula like this, 20% times this value plus 30% times the value for the B, plus 50% times the 1.3, and you see the grade is quite okay, a 1.4. This works fine. However, it has a disadvantage because working like that is error prone. You can hit on the wrong key, you can maybe forget a parenthesis or bracket, you could type in the wrong formula, all type of this. So better use a function, and here SUMPRODUCT comes into the game, which offers the opportunity to do it more easy in a more easy way. So what we say is SUMPRODUCT, and we simply mark the first array, which is this one, and then the second array, which is that one, and off we go. So the result is the same. So especially if you not only have three values which have to be first multiplied and then summed up, but you have more values, then the advantage comes into the game. If you would like to autofill down, of course, we have to make this an absolute one, an absolute reference, and the value here is the same. I double click on here and you can see all the marks.